and freaking out because I wrote everything with Shepherd. I did it all. And when I opened it up, it wasn't there. Okay. How many times have I heard this? Don't freak out. It's okay. Google has got your back. So I'm going to show you guys what to do in the event that you filled out a slide, you filled out a Google Doc, and you thought you were ready to turn it in, but then you went to open it back up and it was blank. Okay. Provided that you've opened up the right document, the one from your drive, this will work perfectly. What you're going to do is you're going to open up the document, even if it's blank because everything got deleted somehow, and you're going to come to File. Okay, so let's say here you filled out this entire thing here. Oh my gosh, okay, this was great. I love what I put here. And then the next time you came back, that was missing. You accidentally highlighted it and deleted it at some point. You just don't know when, and you didn't catch it in time. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to here, File. You're going to go down to Version History, and you're going to see your version history. What Google does is it automatically saves every change that you made to your document. I think it's every minute or so. I think probably even less. I can't remember exactly what it is. But anyway, you will be able to see all the changes. So you come here, you look at today's date or the last time that you worked on it, and you're going to click this little black arrow here so that it pops down a whole menu of all the different changes. Of course, it's going to take some time here. 1 second. Okay, so if I click on this, it's actually going to show me my document as it looked on July 20th at 8:33 a.m. Okay, and then if I click here again, it's going to show me what my document looked like on July 20th at 9:46 a.m. All right, so again, I can go down and I can find where I have it. I need to click on this. I don't know why it's not letting me click on it. There we go. Okay, and then I can look at what 9:45 looked like. And I'm looking through all my versions because I'm trying to find the one where my writing is there. Ah, there it is. Okay. So once I find the version and I see where my writing is, I can go ahead and come up here and click Restore this version. Click Restore again. And then the next time you are in it, it will actually have that writing back. So whatever it is you deleted. This also works with Google Slides because a lot of the times students will say, I'm missing that slide. I don't have that slide. Well, what ended up happening was you accidentally deleted it, and that happens. So you just need to go back into your version history and restore that document. Okay, and that's all you got to do.